Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Alright, hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're back with another video.
Back to another video.
What are we making tonight?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Can you say Peach Cobbler?
Peach Cobbler.
Hey guys, we are going to be making Peach Cobbler.
Hey guys, today we're going to make Peach Cobbler.
Alright. So Peach Cobbler was given the name by the Georgia Council because of how cobbled it looked.
What?
So it's a quick and easy recipe. It's nice and delicious. So we're gonna get all our ingredients together, and we will be
Bunny.
come on. We will be right back. Right, Ariana?
Right back. Right.
All right. We are going to combine our ingredients. It's real quick and easy, very simple, but very tasty. Okay?
Yes.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
You want to stand up, Mama? You want to stand on the chair? Go ahead. All right. All right. We are going to combine our ingredients. So, Ariana, do you know what this is?
Pear.
Close. Peaches. So, this is 2 cans of peaches. You can buy it at the supermarket, or you can cut it up, or you can just put whatever you feel is best. Okay, Ariana, you go ahead and pour it in. Hold it a little lower. Go ahead and pour it all in. Wow! All right.
There's a pizza.
That's a big old peach. Okay. Next, we are going to let Mommy get it. Mommy will get it.
I'm gonna get it for you.
No, one at a time. All right. Now this is white sugar.
Yeah.
This is 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Can I do it all myself?
Yes. Okay.
All
All right, we got it. Mix it up. Mix it up.
I don't need help. Mix it up.
Not too fast. Mix it up. Mix it up. Stir, stir. You know, say it with Mommy. Mix it up. Mix it up. Stir, stir, stir. Mix it up. Mix it up. Stir, stir, stir.
Now can we use this?
All right. Now we're gonna get our, what is this?
I don't know.
You don't-
Sugar.
So this is brown sugar. This too, hang on Mama, hang on. This too is 1/2 cup brown sugar.
Sugar.
All right, go ahead and pour it in. Hold it a little. All right, okay.
I'm gonna mix it
Oh,
up.
you didn't get all of it.
Oh.
Let Mommy help you. All right.
Ew.
See?
Stop.
1/2 cup. Mix, come on. That's brown sugar. Come on. Mix it up. Mix it up. Stir, stir, stir. Mix it up. Mix it up. Stir, stir, stir. So we have combined 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Okay? Miss Ariana's gonna pour it in. Alright guys, that's what it looks like so far. Alright, we are going to put this on the stove and we are going to let it cook for about 15 minutes, okay? We'll be right back. Yep, 15 minutes.
15 minutes to run.
Alright guys, so we have our stove on medium. All right, we're gonna cover this bad boy up and then we are gonna let it cook for 15 minutes and then we'll be right back. Cool? All right, so Ariana is cleaning the table off. We're getting ready to put our pie crust in the baking pan. Now you can use whatever baking pan you have, whatever size you have, you can use it. You know, we're just making a small little treat for Miss Ariane and myself. So we're gonna use this size, okay? All right. Okay, you got it clean? She's doing a good job cleaning this table off, huh? Okay. Unroll our pie crust, okay? You want to help mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's unroll it. Okay, come on. Hang on.
Slowly, 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 slowly. Right, gonna get our container, our baking thing, and then we're gonna like slime. Put it in for mom. Slowly, and be careful, don't rip it.
Alright, Miss Ariana is gonna open the pot. Open the pot, Mama.
Do you open it?
I open it.
Open it.
Alright, let's see what our peach cobbler looks like. Ooh. You wanna mix it, Mama? Mix it just a little. Alright. Okay, so, okay. Alright. So it's been about 15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and take it off and we're gonna pour it in our
lemonade.
in our baking tin. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and we are gonna pour. You wanna help mommy pour? No? Okay. You can put your hand on mommy. You wanna put your hand on mommy? Alright, let mommy take the spoon out. Hang on. Hey, no. Be careful. It's hot, okay? We gotta be careful. Okay. So we are going to pour. Ooh. Ooh. And since I want more peaches, okay, we're gonna get our second pie crust and we are gonna put the top on, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now we're gonna cut it up, okay?
Cut it up.
Yeah. Good. Irina wants to roll one of them. Okay. Okay. There you go. You get this tiny piece. Thank you.
I'm sure you want to eat it.
Stop over your foot. That's your Play-Doh.
This is not a Play-Doh.
Alright. Go ahead and we are going to lay our strips horizontally and vertically. Okay, don't worry if it doesn't fit, we can just adjust it. You're playing snake, you don't want to come and help mommy? Last and final touch before putting it in the oven. What are you gonna do? Butter. All right. Come on. Get the paintbrush. You gotta be very gentle, okay? Very gentle. That's too hard. That's too hard. Okay, let mommy help you, okay? We all need help in life, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay. All right.
All right. So that's what it looks like. We're gonna let it bake for an hour and a half on 350 degrees, okay? All right, so there it is, guys. Peach cobbler, yummy. All right, guys, shout out to Smoking and Grilling AB. That's the YouTube channel that we modified this recipe from. So we are done with our peach cobbler. Yes! And as usual, Miss Ariana is sleeping. So I'll see you guys. Let me know what we could have done differently or what you want us to make the next time around, okay? All right. Peace out.